Hey everybody, my name is Dominique Smith. I'm the event coordinator for the Concordia Greenhouse. I thought the event was amazing, really interesting people, they loved it. As you can see, they're still talking, holding plants. I hope that this reaches out to all the important people that need to hear this. The Concordia Greenhouse is a legacy project. It supersedes me, and without it, in Montreal, I think it's really hard to bring educational things with the plants to the people, whether it's food, whether it's house plants. I think it's very important, and things like this can help us grow it to the future.
Hey, I'm Nicole. I'm from Berlin, Germany.
And hi, I'm Emily, also from Berlin. We're super happy to be here today after sitting on chairs and air conditioning the room the whole week. Super happy to get our hands dirty and breathe some greenhouse air.
Too much. You're not going to give that microbiology to this.
And then you rub him off. See?
Okay. So here, what you're going to do, just like they're doing, is cutting at every node. Imagine if I was a bush in the jungle somewhere, and I'm like, boom, right? And a giant creature comes and stomps on this and breaks it apart. This has a way in its genetics to do vegetative propagation where this little root will become another plant. So that's what we've done. We've cut them up and we put them in our hydroponic system. That's why we're able to grow so many.
So I can collect it over here, right?
Yeah, put it here and then we are gonna soak them in
water.
Soap and
Okay. Is this okay?
Yeah. Okay. Dom said there is no bronca, so.
Hi, I'm Yvette Krslik. I'm from the Pacific Climate Change Center that is hosted at the SPREP in Samoa. And from the Pacific Islands, I'm excited with this tour, especially on the green urban greenhouse. We have a lot of greenhouse that are actually situated on the land, more in the rural areas. So looking at the climate science, the services, and also changing mindsets and having more urban greenhouses in the Pacific in terms of adapting to climate change. Thank you.
I think Concordia and other organizations should support it. There's a lot of dedicated people here who are giving their time for this, and they're freely sharing their knowledge, and it's amazing.